Hinayo na yung muscle.
Wow!
Pangdayo na yung muscle.
Tara guys. So, basta ang goal natin, enjoy lang. Ha? Pero gusto ko manalo, siyempre.
Yung goal,
masarap manalo eh.
Tapos enjoy.
Oo. Tapos, wala lang, enjoy lang.
Andito si Amigo.
Kaya nga eh.
Our little Mexican.
Alright, let's go. Defense 3. 1, 2, 3. Defense!
Okay. Oh, I think we're missing a girl. Be, mauna ka, be. No, it's alright. I'm gonna be commentating from behind. Oh, di ha?
Hi.
No way.
Power follow.
Why?
Ano? Power follow. Okay.
What's up? Nice ball stick.
Sa una ako? Sige. Sige. Lo! Lo! Go, mauna ka.
Yeah, where are we going tomorrow? Let's go, KG.
Hey, let's go.
I'm gonna be stealing, oh my god, Kujian's water. We finally serve. Oh, nice pass, Kujian. Let's go, Cloud. Ooh, nice swing.
Defense!
Guys, good job, guys. Oh, wow.
Out?
That was a good lead from the other team.
Ang ino? Ano yung kinlip mo lang?
From our little Mexican one.
Ay, hindi mo sinadya yun? Ay, putang ina, parang sinadya mo eh.
Ah.
Hey, five!
Holy shit.
Dito. Defense!
Ano yan? Ayun, Kuya. How is he doing that? Oh, he does. Okay, bet.
Okay lang.
How's he doing that? Yeah. Do you not see the blue on top of P?
Let's go!
Nice swing.
Tatlong libero mo ha. Let's go! Patay. Let's go. Ano yung double?
Nice try.
Okay lang.
Ayan
Ay,
na,
putang
power na
ina.
po si Gabriel.
Meow.
Ay, nice pass. Ayun oh. Galing talaga niya.
I go long. Yeah!
Wow.
Nice
Did it!
Kitty. Ayan na, nasa harap na po si Kuya G. Gabriel and Odessa. And that was a nice serve from Lawrence. Hey, let's go. Ooh, nice swing!
Defense!
Crazy! Yes, really good. And it's our little Mexican that's gonna be serving. Hey, that's a nice serve. Wow, nice set from the opponent. Oh! All good. It wasn't caught in the camera. You chill. Or maybe I talk too much. I think I talk too much.
I thought you... Oh, sige.
Yeah. Ooh. Pretty close. Crazy.
Let's go! 1, 2, 3! Defense! It's okay, that's okay.
TNT.
Dito pa ako, no? Uno lang. Sorry. Huh?
Nice swing.
Sorry.
Nice up though.
Bigitawag ko sana, tapos nakuha ko.
Nice try. What a dunk.
Nahihilo ka na ba?
No, it's good. It's good. Dirty. Nice serve.
It's fucking floater. Let's go! 1, 2, 3! Defense!
Woo! Lawrence, our little Mexican.
It's okay.
That fuck, brother. NT Mexicano. Our Mexican. Our Mexicano. Wow, nice pass.
Defense! Pag wala kang option,
Let's go, Brian.
dalawa kami dito. Ay, paluin mo dyan pag ano. Yeah! 1, 2, 3! Defense!
Sino ka na ba natin?
Sina Joral.
Kaya, kalsab mo sino?
Oo. Eh, wala siya eh.
Sino yung sinabi?
Oo.
Okay. Tsaka yung sinabi.
Wow.
Here!
Wow, Dick.
Ganto yan ah.
Wala naman tayong ano ah. Di ba?
Ganto yan.
Okay. Ay!
Sorry?
Yeah! Taas mo naman to, malumboy.
On the second game. Yeah, second game.
Touch. Here. Oy, wow. Dito.
Saan kaya? Nine to nine. I was in.
What?
Yung mag-quick oh.
Quit na ako maglibero.
Guys, nagbabump ako sa bahay.
Ganda rin talaga ng sets na ano ba? Shit. Wait, who won on the other side? Wow!
Long. Oh, ayan na oh. Woohoo!
Grabe lihis! Grabe na may angulo! Nice serve, Bri! Gusto mo ba? Tignan ko lang.
It's okay.
Tignan ko muna kung may pera ako.
Ito na oh.
Ay, iba talaga siya! Ay, okay, go. You can use it if you want. Oh, meron ka namang card.
Dulo muna.
Wow!
Let's go, 1, 2, 3. Digits.
The score right now is 19-9. Wow! That's crazy.
Gandahan ko pa.
Oh,
Ganda.
Lakas ni Fran. Grabe si Fran. Wow.
Let's go.
Wow. Puro wow.
Kailangan natin siya sa
Gawin natin kapag free ball. Pupunta ako dito. Kasi mahirap eh. Pagka uno muna. Okay lang. Palo lang ng palo. Marami tayong spare. Sorry.
NT guys.
Wala. Dito, likod.
Malayo ka konti.
Kabalik talaga. Ano binibili mo? Ano binibili?
Kasi magpapay ba tayo?
Sorry. Wow, nice pass. Crazy.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Defense! Sorry, sorry. Tight eh, kaya hindi ako po gumano.
Alright guys, push 4. It's 21-13 right now. You know.
Sorry, sorry.
Maganda.
Ow.
Mike.
Ay, andun pala si Thomas. Saan nakatil mo? Thomas. Yeah, every year ata siya may volleyball. Wow!
Defense! Nice pass.
Si Kuya Jay. Ano po? 22-14. Wow, nice shot.
Ang ina. Sipat na sipat eh.
Hindi ko alam kung gaano kalakas yung narinig sa akin. I think malakas naman ang pick up.
Nagpunta dun eh.
Yung kay kuya nga naka ano ko. Wow! Paul Sims! Sorry? Salita pa naman ako ng salita.
Wag, pabalikin mo.
Ate girl.
Yan!
Wow, nice. Sorry?
Yeah, wow! Wow! Woohoo! Woohoo! Defense!
Wow, that's 25-14 guys. Guys, on the side. Good job. Pepper ba? Pepper? Ikaw ba magsasabi?